and breaking secret codes. Cryptology. So cryptology, cryptography and cryptanalysis is called cryptology. The secret basically is in the key. So we use different kind of a key to actually achieve integrity, authentication, and confidentiality. These are the key. Whenever we lock something, we will be using, the other party will be using the same kind of a key on their end, and they will unlock and read those messages. These are the typically used protocol or keys we use. MD5 for integ and SHA. These are used for integrity. Okay. And these are the three used for authentication: HMAC, MD5, HMAC, SHA, HMAC, DSA, and RSA. So these are used for authentication. For the confidentiality regarding DES, triple DES, and AES, these are the used for confidentiality. So all these three can be used by different keys actually. Basic integrity and authentication. Upon completion of this, you should be able to. So that's how we define it.